Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to explore some of the hottest classroom decoration trends for 2024. Whether you're a teacher looking to create a more engaging learning environment, or a student helping out with class decor, these ideas are sure to inspire you. Let's dive right in. Number 1, Animal Themes. First up, we have animal themes. Imagine walking into a classroom transformed into a jungle adventure. Picture wall murals of trees, lions, elephants, and monkeys all around you. This setup is perfect for teaching about different biomes and animal behaviors, making learning both fun and immersive. How about an underwater adventure theme? Decorate your space with fish, coral reefs, and sea creatures. This can make lessons about marine life exciting and visually appealing. Or, for a touch of the Arctic, consider a penguin and owl theme. Use posters, stuffed animals, and educational materials to create a cozy, informative space that students will love. Number 2, Imagination and Adventure. Next, let's fuel our imaginations with themes of adventure and fantasy. A wizard and fantasy theme can be incredibly magical. Think of hanging stars, a magical bookshelf, and a mystical color scheme. It's perfect for inspiring creativity and a love for reading among students. If you're fascinated by the prehistoric era, why not go for a dinosaur theme? Large cutouts of dinosaurs, fossils, and prehistoric plants can turn your classroom into a time machine, taking students back millions of years. Outer space is another exciting theme. Decorate your classroom with planets, rockets, and astronauts. This setup is sure to get kids excited about science and space exploration. Number 3, Social Emotional Learning, SEL. Social Emotional Learning, or SEL, is becoming an important part of education. Creating a chill-out zone in your classroom can help. Use comfortable seating like bean bags, calming colors like soft blues and greens, and posters that promote positive affirmations and emotional regulation. This area can be a perfect spot for students to relax and gather their thoughts. A mindfulness corner can also be beneficial. Include yoga mats, peaceful decor, and even a small water fountain. This serene space can help students practice mindfulness and stress relief. Number 4, Nature-inspired decor. Bringing the outdoors inside can create a more inviting classroom atmosphere and even improve air quality. Fill your space with real or faux plants, with greenery hanging from the ceiling and potted plants on shelves and desks. This can make your classroom feel fresh and vibrant. Nature themes with tree decals, floral decorations, and natural wood elements can also create a warm, nurturing environment that students will enjoy.
Segment 5, Colorful and Themed Walls, and Bright, engaging walls can create a joyful and energetic space for learning. A wow wall to showcase student work can be a great addition. It's a fantastic way to celebrate their achievements and keep them motivated. Use a bright and cheerful background and display various pieces of art and projects. Number 6, Black and Gold Theme. For a touch of sophistication, try a black and gold theme. Black walls with gold accents, elegant posters, and matching classroom supplies can give your classroom a unique and stylish look. This theme can create an inspiring environment that's both modern and chic. These are just a few of the trending classroom decoration ideas. We hope these ideas inspire you to create a dynamic and engaging learning environment for your students. Which theme is your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more creative tips and ideas. Happy decorating!